IUB life has been surreal. It was full of emotions and experiences and life-changing lessons. I have entered as a blank canvas. Now I'm leaving with a lot of colors, including the dark undertones. So yeah, the negative experiences shaped me as a person. I now know how to distinguish between the people who wants good for me and who doesn't. I have met some incredible people, from friends to faculty members, who believed in me more than I believed in myself. I think that's the reason I got this gold. So my real gold, or the essence of gold, lies in the people I have met in IUB, and definitely my mom and dad. Had it not been for them, I don't think I would ever be here. So yes, alhamdulillah. It is so difficult to mention just one person because I'll be upsetting a lot of people. I would say my dad. My dad, he's very emotional. Had he been here, I'm pretty sure he would be tearing up. So yeah, like my baba, he's like, my daughter did this, my daughter did that. So to bring that smile on his face, to make him proud, I think that was the biggest inspiration for me. And my mom, she is not as expressive as my dad, but I know deep inside she wants to see me make all of them proud. So yes, my mom and dad. I don't think I will be ever able to mention just one person. Everything was blank, okay? I could not process the emotions, so my brain kind of shut down. And then I walked down the stairs and I was like, okay, it's gold. I did not even look at it until somebody else expected me to look at it. So yeah, the feelings kind of rushed all at once. It was mixture of like getting rewarded for all the pain I have been through and making my parents proud, and that intense urge to just rush to them and show them like, Baba and Ma, I have made it. So yeah, to enjoy the university life, yes, my gold medal is testifying that I have been academically excellent, but this definitely should not be your goal. I have sacrificed a lot of valuable experiences because of academics, so I don't want you guys to do the same. Yes, it's a very huge part of your university life, but at the same time, make sure you focus on your friends, you give enough time to your family, and honestly, there will be a lot of ups and downs. Embrace it because it's going to shape you in the best possible individual ever. So yeah, you will literally love the experience in IUB.